All right, so we're putting a hard start kit on.
Yep, this compressor isn't coming on right here. It's a little warm. The old capacitor for it is reading 39 and 5 out of 45 and 5. So we got a new capacitor in right here. It's reading 45 and 5, how it should. Still not coming on, so we're gonna try this hard start kit, see if it'll come on with that.
Yeah, and the thing about these hard start kits are they're not really a good solid repair, and they make the compressor, they put a lot of strain on it. But if you have a bad compressor, it's already bad. It's worth a shot sometimes just to kind of get by and figure it out.